Boy, Alex, Gecko, Power Heroes, DJ Masks, and the Power Heroes.
Into the night they go. They're bigger, they're better, they're the Power Heroes. Into the night to save the day. So many more to show you the way. Jumping, climbing, flying far into icy worlds and now to the stars. Cause
It's the right time to fight crime. Nope, I still can't think of the rhyme. DJ Masks, Power Heroes.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Time to play cool.
Gecko, Power Heroes. DJ Masks, and the Power Heroes.
into the night they go. They're bigger, they're better, they're the Power Heroes. Into the night to save the day. So many more to show you the way. Jumping,
I know you
flying far.
all have enjoyed and loved SpongeBob for eons.
Nope, I still can't think
Well,
of the rhyme.
this episode, we're gonna learn more about his cool side. Yeah, I said it. You know that space in the middle of his teeth? Well, with a bit of help after fixing it up, SpongeBob's voice changed, and now he's Cool Bob. And he's got the voice of a god now. Yeah, I said it. I said God! A cool god. Now we draw his tie. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Catboy,
Here's his arms.
Alex, Gecko, Power Heroes. DJ Masks, and the Power Heroes.
Into the night they go. They're bigger, they're better, they're the Power Heroes. Into the night to save the day. So many more to show you the way. Jumping, climbing, flying far into icy worlds and now to the stars. Cause
Here's his feet.
Time to fight crime. Nope, I still can't think of the rhyme. DJ Masks,
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, what does it mean to be cool?
As an adjective, cool can have a few meanings. 1. Moderately cold, neither warm nor cold. 2. Feeling comfortably or moderately cold. 3. Imparting a sensation of moderate coldness or comfortable freedom from heat. 4. Permitting such a sensation.
worlds and now to the stars. Cause
There he is, folks. That's how you draw a Cool Bob.
still can't think of the rhyme.
Awesome. Right, guys? Anyhow, that's all for now. Booyah, kasha.